Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by, checking out this quick video, battery life, my Google Pixel 5a 5G. Huge shout out to Google, hashtag teampixel, for sending me this smartphone to keep, use, and share my experience with all of you. My experience definitely going to be different than yours in many different areas when it comes to any smartphone that I bring in and use. And that goes for the Google Pixel 5a 5G. And I'm going to tell you right now, man, I'm going to share some screenshots and I'm going to show you where I'm at now. This device is going to get the job done and then some. 4680 milliamp battery, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, Qualcomm Snapdragon 765, all that working together. Flawless stock Android experience on my Google Pixel 5a 5G. We have Android 11, and at some point we will have Android 12. And yeah, I'll be looking forward to that. But anyway, so let's go ahead and look at these screenshots really quick. And I'll start right here. All right, I went ahead and zoomed on in so you can see the information here. 10:18 in the evening, in the PM, 5% left. I do not have the battery saver on. It is off. Battery percentage is on so I can see how much battery life I have left when I'm using my 5a 5G. From the moment that I unplugged it to the moment that I took this screenshot, 20 hours and 45 minutes. It's a long time. SOT, screen on time, 8 hours, 4 minutes. There's the graph. The next one here, at 9 p.m., 8% left, battery juice, 15 hours from the moment I unplugged and took the screenshot, 6 hours, 38 minutes. That's great battery life. It's awesome battery life. I'm not going to have any issues with this device. Okay, so where are we right now? Let's go into the settings here. Right now, and I've been using the heck out of this device, man. It's a day off from work, so I've had a lot of time to myself today. I've been running around doing some stuff, and I actually just finished creating a Google Pixel 4a 5G versus the Google Pixel 5a 5G camera comparison video. So hopefully you're enjoying that video. If you haven't seen it, please go check it out. So I had to create the content basically using my collage app, using Power Director, doing the editing and creating the thumbnail and getting that uploaded all through my Google Pixel 5a 5G. So that's been part of the day as well. So anyway, 14 hours ago, 14 hours, 15 minutes, I unplugged and it's still going. 4 hours, 23 minutes. And let's check the graph here. And it says I have 5 hours left. Now, I don't think I'm going to get 5 hours. I can get possibly, because when I push my devices, I really push them, so I end up using that battery juice a little bit faster. So I would say maybe 2.5. Maybe, I don't know. Probably going a little less there. So even at, let's just say I only got 2.5, maybe 3. That's 4, 5, 6. So about 7 hours screen on time. So again, this is just through my experience a few days in from receiving this smartphone. Hopefully this just gives you an idea, on what this device can do when it comes to battery life, at least for me. Connectivity has been great with T-Mobile here where I live locally. It's very important to know that this is first and foremost a phone, so connectivity has to be there with my carrier. I have to make those phone calls that go out, come in, texting, go out, coming in, and all that's working great. So no issues whatsoever. So whether I'm Wi-Fi or utilizing data, this phone is getting the job done. And anyway, so that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave that down below in the comment section. But yeah, please check out that comparison, camera comparison For those of you still thinking about what you want to pick up, whether it's the Google Pixel 5a 5G or the Google Pixel 4a 5G. Both great smartphones. There's a little bit of incremental changes, differences with the 5a in comparison to the 4a, and you can do your homework on that. You still don't get wireless charging, but over here we do have that IP67 water and dust resistant, which is really cool. And what I'm digging is you still have that fingerprint reader, and you got the cameras that are on the Google Pixel 5. So a headphone jack is there as well. So there's going to be some similarities, and then there's going to be a little bit of differences. And again, they're very tiny, very incremental. So with that, thanks for watching. God bless. Peace. I am out. Stay safe and healthy, man.